Today we're going to talk about cutting the carbon fiber rod. You can find all this information up on the design, which is published in Thingiverse. Design this jig for cutting the fiber rod because it's a very oblique angle. It's about 17 degrees, and it's really hard to get in there any other way, and you want it to be a very smooth, clean cut. This is designed to use with a hacksaw. Here you see it in Prusa Slicer. It takes about 20 meters of filament, doesn't cost much money, under $1 worth of filament. Clamping it down with a square rod inside of it. Here's one view. A little close up, you can see how we try to hold the rod and the jig at the same time. Take your hacksaw, go really smoothly, really slow, and gets a really, really nice clean cut at that really oblique angle. Another view of it. Always wear your safety protection. Now that's the headstock piece, and it's cut just the size to fit. Here you see how the angled cut for the long piece goes into the head. Flip side, I got to work on the spacing here. And now you also see how the headstock piece goes on, so it can form and glue together, form a nice angle. There it is in place, cut to size. Take your time with this. Don't rush the cut, nice and smooth. You can look up online how to cut carbon fiber. It is pretty destructive to blades, so hacksaw blades aren't that expensive. Make sure you keep them sharp and nice. And then what I'd like to do is then come along and kind of glue the two rods together so they form a good stiffening unit for the neck and the head, especially that joint, and protects the head joint. Good luck. Post comments or questions up on Thingiverse. You can also find links to the rest of the build instructions and to the GitHub site that has quite a bit of details on the parts. Good luck, good making, good playing.